Sarah and I have to head home today. Boo. But we decided to pop into Magic Kingdom for a few hours before we leave. Mike doesn't leave until tomorrow. Start with Mine Train.
Yeah, that's
That was a delight. Do you want to ride your Little Mermaid ride?
I enjoy the Little Mermaid ride.
Sleeper hit. I know. It's Mike's sleeper hit of Magic Kingdom. It's fun. And it has Ursula, so you know I'm on board with that.
And the line moves.
And the line moves very quickly. Gotta love those Omni-Mover rides. Speaking of villains, hi Gaston!
We sent her to Ursula. Yes. Ursula has great powers.
poor unfortunate souls in pain. This one don't need to be thinner. That one wants to get the girl, and do I help her? Yes, indeed.
I hope these cavalcades never go away. Made it to Frontierland. You guys wanna hop on the wildest ride in the wilderness?
This here's the wildest ride in
Unfortunately, Splash is temporarily down too, and that makes me a little nervous. I like to ride it every time I come because I just don't know how many times I'll be able to get on it before they reimagine it. Even though I'm excited for the reimagining to happen, I have a soft spot for Splash Mountain and I'll miss it. With the ride down, you can really see how much space there is back here. It's exciting to think of all the possibilities they'll have when they do reimagine the ride. Tiana has a lot of room. I'm hoping there'll be some beignets. Sneaky Brer Rabbit. Dumb old Brer Bear doesn't even know. Headed into Adventureland, which is actually where we usually start the day. Guess we'll get on Pirates. So many treasures. Cute pirate Mickey.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, that sounds good.
Toothpick holders, which can be hard to come by.
Hey, Brian.
Swashbuckling beauty. That's cute. So many cool details in here. What? Captain Jack himself is out.
No, we're not.
She's like, that man is drunk. I don't want a picture with him. Ahoy! Try to get a snack at Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. Waffles. Yes, please. I'm fine with chicken if you don't mind. I love these hand-painted parasols. Wish I had a reason to carry a parasol. Mike got himself a good old-fashioned corn dog. I got this beaut. Oh, this is gonna be messy. I got the spicy chicken waffle sandwich. That yummy sauce. Ooh, is that a Brussels sprout? Yes. That pathetic bite was just waffle. Oh, there is a kick to the chicken. Oh! It's a considerable kick to the chicken. The creamy slaw helps balance it out though. It's delicious. It's one of the best things I've eaten here. Not as good as the spring rolls, those are the best things here, but
Wash your hands often and thoroughly.
how's your corn dog? Your ye old corn dog.
I haven't got to the ye old corn dog yet. I'm on the ye old chips.
Put her in there, Mike.
Rude. Why are you following me?
I'm waiting for you to take a bite of your corn dog.
Right here.
You are the worst.
That's my boat! You little thief.
My boat now.
So it all end if you would just take a bite of your corn dog.
I'm hoping you'll lose interest.
The whole video is just going to be you sitting here drinking your drink. Eat the corn dog. Here it comes. The moment we've all been waiting for.
No. I want nothing to do with this.
What's that?
It's a hefty-
Multi-sized. It's like a club. Oh, Billy Club corn dog.
Very good.
Good. All right, I'll leave you alone though.
Thank you.
The slaw has broccoli and kale and Brussels sprouts, and if you're anything like me, you have days at Disney where you don't get a lot of vegetables in. So this is a good option to get some vegetables in without feeling like you're eating a salad. If salads are your thing, then by all means have a salad, but salads are not my thing. Fried chicken, however, is my thing.
Totally.
Totally my thing. There's also a really nice spot. You can see things and listen to the patriotic jams. You can see any character cavalcades that might happen to come by, and they're still pretty isolated, which is nice. It's quiet. As soon as I say this really obnoxious beeping started. but prior to that, it was pretty quiet. See you, bird. I know what you're up to. You're not gonna get away with it.
Would have got away with it too if it wasn't for these kids.
It's coming. Get out of here, bird. Mine are not welcome here. Get. Get. Worked. Get. So, I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. It has been a most gratifying day.